Good morning, Year 12. This has been brought to you by Codral, which is keeping me alive at the moment. I've created a series of workspaces for you to use at your enrichment today. You can see here the enrichment is the first one. That is a series of questions which I've given you from HSC paper. You need to work through reading the question, looking at the marking criteria, see what they want, have a go at the answer, and then match up with the sample response that you've done. Number 2, there are 2 Kahoots that I'd like you to do. These are really important. I get a feedback on that, and we can see how you're going with that information. And the last one is another question from HSC paper, which you can work through. Please do concentrate on this today. They're quite valuable things to have done. Thank you.